Now guys, as I've explained to you, what Rex, what are you doing? As I've explained to you, in order to make it, guys, listen up. In order for you guys to make it onto American Bird Idol, you're going to have to really pay attention to the music, okay? It's like when I stop the music and stuff, you guys need to stop. You can't keep singing, all right? Does everybody understand? I mean, it's very competitive out there. There are birds online all over the world to get on American Bird Idol. Anyway, I love you guys. It's going to be Christmas soon. Let's see. I'll go sit on a chair. You guys, here guys. Ready? Here we go. Ready? One. Here we go. Ready? Brighton. Here we go. Ready? We wish. Here we go. We wish together, Brighton. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good, you stopped. Let's try Jingle Bells. Ready? Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse sleigh. La 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 la, jingle all the way. Good dancing. Oh, what fun it is in a one-horse open. No, you're not supposed to say anything when we stop. Let's try it again. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride. Good. I don't want to say, hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Who spoke? No speaking in the rest. That's called the rest in music. All right, one more time. It's not enough I have the music school. Now I have to teach you guys what a rest is. Here we go, one more time. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one open sleigh. Come on, guys. No singing in the break. Jingle bells, jingle bells. One more time. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Good boys. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle bells. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh. Good babies. Merry Christmas. Good birds. Yay! Good birds. I love you guys.